Ready? Your hat's cute.
I think I'm gonna die.
No, you won't.
He's gonna drop out. Okay, point towards the wall. Don't trip.
Maybe try going from the other way. Good job.
Wow, speedy.
I told you. Oh, I got that on tape.
What did he do? Did he slip or?
No, he bucked.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't feel that. Maybe he's saying he needs a rest.
Woo!